Good morning, Anna. Wake up, sweetie. Today is Farmer's Market Day.
The farmer's market? Really? I love the farmer's market. Can we go now?
Yes, we are going today. But first, we need breakfast and getting dressed.
Wake up, buddy. It's Saturday, Farmer's Market Day. Do you want waffles?
5 more minutes, Dad. Sleeping is better than walking around.
There will be warm bread and fresh cinnamon rolls, Jack. Don't you want some?
Cinnamon rolls? Real cinnamon rolls from the bakery? Okay, I'm awake now.
These pancakes are delicious, Mom. Can we get market food too? Today, we will see lots of fresh fruits and vegetables, and we can taste honey.
I want to see the flower stall again. Remember last time with the beautiful roses?
Jack, did you know they have real honeycomb? You can eat it right from the comb.
You can eat honeycomb? That's so cool. I want to see the bees too.
Okay, everyone, finish your breakfast. We need to get dressed and grab our bags.
I'm ready, Mom. I picked my favorite dress. Can I bring my flower backpack?
Has anyone seen my dinosaur shirt? I want to wear it to the market.
Right here, buddy. I washed it last night, especially for today. Go put it on.
Everyone has their bags? Don't forget your water bottles for the walk.
Got the keys. Let's head to the car. It's gonna be a great day.
Dad, how far is the market? Is it the one with the big red barn?
It's just past the church. You'll see all the colorful awnings when we arrive.
Here we are. Find the parking spot, Dad.
Everyone out? Don't forget the bags.
Wow, look at all the colors.
Stay close together, kids. Hold hands near the street.
Welcome to the Saturday market.
What do you smell, Jack? What do you hear, Anna?
Good morning, family. Welcome to the market.
Good morning. Thank you. Beautiful morning. Look at all the apples. Red, green, and yellow.
Mom, look! Those oranges are so round and orange.
Dad, what are those long yellow things? They look funny.
Those are bananas, buddy. Monkeys love them too. They're sweet inside.
Would you like to try one, little man? Fresh from the farm.
It's sweet. I like it. Can I have more?
You can taste the difference, can't you? Fresh from the farm tastes better. Let's see what vegetables they have. What color is a carrot? Carrots are orange. I know that. Can we get some carrots?
Look, red apples. Can we get these red apples, Dad?
Those aren't apples, Jack. Those are tomatoes. They're red like apples.
Tomatoes? But they're red and round like apples. How do you know?
May we try one tomato, please? Our little one wants to learn.
It's juicy and a little bit sour. Vegetables are interesting.
We'll take these 4 red apples, please.
How much are they?
That's $5 for the apples. Thank you. Come back soon.
Now, let's see what's next. The bakery smells amazing.
Oh, something smells so good. Is that bread?
It smells like my grandma's kitchen. Can we get some?
Good morning. Try the fresh cinnamon rolls, still warm from the oven.
This sourdough sounds hollow. That means it's fresh. What do you think, Anna?
It sounds like a drum, and it feels hard outside. Is this how bread works?
The air bubbles inside make it sound hollow. The baker made this morning.
Here you go, little ones. Taste the fresh bread. Tell me what you think.
It's soft inside and warm. Bread is amazing.
Thank you. Now let's see the honey stall. Jack, remember the honeycomb? Look at all the different colors of honey. Yellow, brown, and orange.
Dad, there's the honeycomb. It's really real. Can I see it?
See the hexagon shapes? The bees made this with wax from their bodies.
Bees visit flowers to get nectar. They bring it back to the hive and make honey.
Do bees help flowers make seeds? Our teacher, Miss Cindy, told us about that.
Anna, Jack, what a wonderful surprise. Are you learning about bees too?
Miss Cindy, we're at the farmer's market. Dad said they have real honeycomb.
This is perfect. You're learning about food sources in a real market. What have you discovered?
I learned that honey comes from bees.
We tried bananas and learned tomatoes aren't apples. And we tasted fresh bread.
Miss Cindy, look, real honeycomb. Dad said bees make it. Can I taste it?
Absolutely, Jack. Real learning happens when you taste and touch. Be brave and try it.
It's so sweet and chewy. Honey from flowers is amazing. I love honey now.
Excellent question, class. Oops, I mean family. Where else might we find honey?
Honey is in cookies and tea. My mom puts honey in tea when I'm sick.
The flower stalls are next. Anna, didn't you want to see flowers today?
Oh, the flowers. They're so colorful and pretty. This is beautiful.
Look, there's a picnic area. Let's take a break and rest our feet.
This feels good. My feet were getting tired. Let's sit down.
Look at everything we got. Fresh apples, honeycomb, and warm bread.
Here, everyone try an apple slice. Fresh from the farm, tastes different.
It's so juicy. Much better than the supermarket apples.
Class, family, what has been your favorite thing to learn about today?
I love the flowers. They're so beautiful and they smell wonderful.
Honeycomb is the best. I want to buy some honey to take home.
I loved the warm bread. The baker was so generous giving samples.
We've learned so much about where food comes from and how farmers work.
Let's make a plan. What should we visit before we leave the market?
I want to see the bees again. The beekeeper was so smart.
I want to buy a flower. Just one rose for my room.
Flowers are boring. Bees make honey. Bees are more important.
Flowers aren't boring. Bees need flowers, and they're pretty.
We can see bees and buy flowers. We have time for both.
How about we vote? Everyone gets to choose one thing.
Okay, Anna can get flowers, and I can watch bees. We can wait for each other.
Thank you, Jack. You're being really nice. I can wait for you too.
Excellent problem solving. You both found a solution together. Great teamwork.
Let's also visit the community booth. They might have information about home gardening.
So bees, then flowers, then community booth. Everyone agrees? Perfect.
Time to go. We have adventures to finish. Let's get those flowers.
Here we go. Jack's bee adventure awaits. Stay together. There it is, the bee display. I can see the hives. This is so exciting.
Here, we can watch real bees working. Look through the screen.
Wow, the bees are moving so fast. They're building the honeycomb.
Worker bees visit thousands of flowers every day to make honey for the hive.
Do the bees help flowers grow while they're getting nectar?
Yes, bees carry pollen from flower to flower. That's how flowers make seeds.
Thank you so much. Now, let's get Anna's flower. You earned it.
There are so many beautiful flowers. Which one should I choose? This one. She's perfect. Can I hold her carefully, please?
I'll wrap her up special for you, dear. She's a beautiful choice.
Thank you. She's the most beautiful rose in the whole market.
Beautiful choice, Anna. Where will you put your rose at home?
I'm putting her in my bedroom window. Then I can see her every morning.
Now for the community booth. Let's see what home gardening info they have.
Hello. We're interested in starting a small home garden. Can you help?
Of course! I'd be happy to help. Tomatoes and herbs are perfect for beginners. Kids love watching things grow.
Can I grow tomatoes and then eat them like at the bakery?
We'll take these guides and some seeds. This will be our weekend project. Last stop, Jack's honey time. Let's get that honeycomb.
It's so waxy. Do I really eat the whole hexagon thing? It's strange at first, but so sweet. I was scared too my first time.
You were so brave trying tomatoes. You can be brave with honey too.
You learned so much about bees today. Now you can taste their work.
Okay, I'm going to try it. I'm being brave like everyone says. It's, wow, so sweet and chewy. This is the best thing ever. We're so proud of you, Jack. This is what learning is all about.
Thank you for joining us, Miss Cindy. This was the best day.
You're welcome. Keep learning. See you at school Monday.
Time to go home. Let's get everything to the car safely.
Careful with the honey, and the rose needs to stay upright.
Everyone buckled? We're heading home with our treasures.
What was everyone's favorite part of the farmer's market today?
My favorite was picking my rose. She's so beautiful.
Honeycomb was the best. I was so brave eating it.
My favorite was watching you both learn and try new things together.
We learned so much about where food comes from and how special farmers are.
Let's make lunch with our market food: apples, bread, and honey.
Here we are, home again. Let's bring everything inside.
Look at all our treasures, fresh from the farmer's market.
There, she can see the sunshine, just like I imagined.
Bees made this honey. Worker bees visit thousands of flowers.
Let's slice these apples and spread honey on the spread.
Our market lunch looks so beautiful. We made this together.
This tastes even better because we know where it came from.
Should we make coming to the farmer's market our new Saturday tradition?
Yes! Can I get sunflowers next week? I want to see different flowers.
I want to see the bees again and maybe buy honey to take home.
Every Saturday it is. Our new family tradition starts today.
It's official. Farmer's market every Saturday. Our special family time. To our farmer's market tradition. To family and fresh food.
This was the best Saturday ever. I love our family.